flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, North Central San Diego County in Southwestern California, until 4:30 p.m. PDT. At 1:37 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Enza, Warner Springs, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Highway 79 between Santa Isabel and Warner Springs, Lake Henshaw, Borrego Palm Canyon, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Aganga, Highway S2 between Highway 79 and Highway 78, Aganga and Cahuilla Indian Reservation. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch are possible in the warned area.